Hi all. Today going to cover topic of preliminary match information of IPL 2021 and going to cover the match between Punjab Kings vs Rajasthan Royals, and the match number is 32 and date is 21st September, time at 7:30 p.m. in Indian Standard Time, venue at Dubai International Cricket Stadium. And coming to the Punjab Kings playing 11, they're having an average against Rajasthan Royals between head-to-head matches are, you can see KL Rahul having 69 average, and he's open the bat and he's must have in your team because he plays consistently and he can rotate easily. He can rotate strike easily with his batting performance. Coming to Manik Agarwal, he's open bat and having 29 average. And coming to the Chris Gale, having 35 average and comes to play at one down, he can play huge sixes and get with huge strike rate. Coming to Deepak Hoda, having 32 average against Rajasthan Royals, and Nicholas Puran will handle the middle order batting and he can play big innings with his batting and can hit the ball with hard strike. As Khan, if top order fail, he will be crucial because he will handle the middle order. Chris Jordan, wicket taking bowler, having 5 wickets from last 5 games. R. Bisnoy, good pick at second innings. Second innings means while Rajasthan batting first, he can not pick because some due factors are applying in the ground. Just pick him when he play at second innings, okay? And going to annuals, it's still more doubt, but he's a wicket taking bowler. Acing 5 wickets, having 5 wickets in the season. Mohammad Shami will bowl at death overs and having 9 wickets. West RR and bench, you can see Punjab Kings bench. Makaram, good at this format of this game, must have if you play. FLN, handle all rounder section, safe pick in your team. NLC, wicket taking bowler, already said, an inform bowler. Okay, and going to Rajasthan Royals playing 11, having a average against Punjab Kings head to head. Eamon Lewis already seen in CPL, he is hitting the ball out of the park and having a good average in CPL also, and he is coming back from the CPL and he can play or he will hit the ball very hard with long sixes. Livingston, we can't say his name because he rocked in Big Bash and many T20s last, and he have more form. Must have hard hitter of the ball. Loves to play in this format, having 34 average. Must pick and try captain in Grand Leagues also. Sanju Samson handle one down and wicketkeeper section and captain for Rajasthan Royals, having 45 average and safe pick in your team. Parag having 14 average, middle order batting, a risky pick. Shubham Dubey, good striker of the ball, having 18 average plus 2 wickets. West Rajasthan, okay, against Rajasthan's West Punjab Kings, Rahul Travatia 20 average and 3 wickets. Chris Morris, he will bowl in death overs, must pick and try captain in small league also and vice captain. Any no problem, must have and balls in death overs mainly. Remember that, having 31 average and got 11 wickets from just 5 matches. Coming to David Miller Keller will handle middle order, having 26 average and Grand League pick and right choice to pick in Grand League. Chetan Sakaria, 7 matches, 7 wickets. Suresh Gopal, spinner, can break partnership. Okay. And Mustafizur Rahman, 8 wickets from 7 matches, and he is also bowler at death overs. And you can see both teams having a strong lineup. Both can easily score 160 plus average score because both batting lineup is strong. And coming to captain vice captain picks in Grand League is just rotate Rahul, Agarwal, Morris, Samson, Livingston. Must have in captain and try in Grand Leagues with 11 teams and don't miss any Grand League. Okay, risky picks, try in risky punt picks are Gale, Rahul Tewatia, Mohammad Shami. Okay, this is temporary team, just temporary team. Final team will update in Telegram. You can join below the description. I will give you Telegram link. Okay, and give me support. Okay, thanks.